Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this super cute book, Llama Llama Loves to Read. So Llama Llama has many different books, and this one is a nice and fun one about learning how to read. It's all about how he is learning in school how to write his name, and then what the different letters mean, and about words and things like that. So it's a really nice book to help assist your little one in learning how to read themselves. And it's super fun and cute. Like, the characters are just so cute. We love it. And then it kind of encourages reading, which obviously you're doing by reading this book to them, but reading a book about reading is great too, because it really instills that love for reading in them, hopefully. So we love this, and I think you will too, and that is my point of view.